just putting in the dividing wall here. So it's about 2/3 that side or 1/3 this side. Alright, so we've wrapped the other piece of the divider wall. So just got some, let's see here, this is 6mm Eva foam that they have in our boats, like a marine application. Just double-sided sticky backing on it, but I just like the look of it and the feel of it, so I use it in all my vans. It's like quick, easy way of doing it. So I have all fixed shelving here, so just screwing it in at the top, and gonna do this piece now and should be all done. So we've screwed it to the top, full stop. Now on the other side we've got some L brackets to screw it down the bottom, so I'll show you that. Alright, so on this side you can see that I've got the 2/3. So I've got some little L brackets in the corners to screw that separation wall down to the ground because it's already screwed up at the top. So I'll screw them in and then that wall is done. Alright, just doing some testing of my packer shelf on this side. This is going to be my fixed shelving. I've just got it fixed back to the actual wall now, so it's kind of floating, as you can see there. So I'm going to do two things, I'm not sure yet. Either I want to have that up as high as possible so I can get a small drawer underneath all the way across, small drawer, or I'm deciding if I drop that to the ground, which means I'll get another 80mm of packashelf, so then I can put more packout in. I'm just weighing up what I want is more important. Do I want the drawer kind of table coming out, or do I want to probably get one more row of packashelf in? So this one will be here, and I have another one of these on this side, and then I'll still have a little bit of a gap here and just like slide things kind of around and in, I think. But I'm undecided if I want the table yet or not, but we'll see how we go.